Yeah. So before going for today's topic, can anyone summarize me what has happened in the last class? Yeah. Can anyone summarize me what has happened in the last class? No one? What we did in the last class here? I think it was on Monday. What we have done? We have done concept on.
Adders and
Good. So we completed adders and subtractor, right? So I think in adders we went through with half adder and full adder. So then similarly went through with subtractor and with respect to half and full. So I hope everyone got the difference between your sum difference, sum carry and difference borrow. So with respect to your borrow and with respect to your addition. So any doubts anyone till there? Anybody doubts with that addition and subtraction of your adder and subtractor? Any doubts anyone?
no, sir.
Okay, fine. So after knowing your adder subtractor, so we'll deal directly to your decoder today. Okay. So today we'll deal with a concept called decoder. Okay. So before going for what exactly you're going to learn in this syllabus, what they are kept for you, can anyone tell me what is the difference between encoder and decoder for me? Because encoder comes, then only decoder comes to picture. Correct now? So in general, what is the difference between encoding and decoding? We should have awareness about this. Then we'll go with the topic to be covered on decoder. Yeah. Encoding means what? Decoding means what?
Sir, decoding probably means from complicated to simple, something like that.
Complicated to simple. Okay, good. Encoding means
Simple to complicated for the computer to read, like that.
simple to complicated. Okay, fine. Others. So your friend told some answer. Can I expect others to tell what is the meaning of encoding and decoding? In simple words, you tell me what is the meaning. You don't worry about any definition wise now. Understand the meaning. What's the meaning of encoding and decoding? So my voice is clear to everyone? I'm audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. No one went through this concept. Okay, any example for encoding, decoding at least? You forget about definition. Can anyone give me one example for encoding and decoding? Which you are using daily life? Then you'll understand better. Encoding and decoding. See, without knowing this, if we directly go with the decoding, encoding topic, it's a waste of time also. So understand what it means first of all. Anyone? Example for encoder and decoder? You leave it. Encoding and decoding example. No one?
Sir, usually in electronics, if we send electronic signal, it will be converted to analog. Is that a good example, sir?
No. What is the meaning of encoding? What is it tells actually? What you are doing here exactly? Encode. Okay, fine. So let me explain you. Just one set. Yeah, Sanidhi, you are there? Sanidhi, you are there, man? Not audible? Am I audible here? Am I not audible?
Audible, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Sanidhi, you are not audible to me? Am I not audible for you here? Okay, let him be there. Who else? Rajesh, you are there? No response only. Okay, Shobita, is it audible for you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in order to explain this encoding decoding concept, so let me give a simple example. I will ask with you only. So you will use messaging concept, right?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you text anything to your friend to ask where are you, how are you, what is the thing you're going to write?
Short form.
So short form. For example, if I say you want to ask your friend where are you, what you will type?
WRU.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
But what exactly the meaning of this? It says where are you? Correct.
Yes.
So do you think this is called encoding? Am I agree? Everyone, you hearing what I'm telling? So you're going to hide the data. See, the person who know how to retrieve it. So this is your sender. Okay. So after sender, there should be a receiver, right? So there should be a receiver. So he will also receive same message. But what actually is going to read that WRU as? Where are you? Am I getting everyone? Am I clear with this simple example what I gave?
Yes, sir.
So are we not using such kind of encoding techniques in our daily life? Are we or not?
We are, sir.
Understood now? See, just understand a simple meaning. Encoding means, in general, you are hiding the original information. It is like encryption. So, where are you? I'm just giving simple example. That's all. You can use where are you? See, okay. We will just put K. That's all. That indicates okay. It is understood from the both the ends. If I ask to a person who don't know what is the meaning of this WRU, you'll just tell WRU only. You won't know what exactly it means. I hope you got the things what I told everyone. So any message,
Yes, sir.
we are trying ourselves to encode it. Encode it. So I hope now the concept of encoding and decoding, is it fine? Am I clear? Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. So just have an awareness that what all the informations you are going to hide its originality, and you are going to send some encrypted message. So where are you was the original message, but we have encrypted to WRU. So then it has sent to the receiver. So the receiver receive the WRU. If we know what is the meaning of that, then he will decode it and you will get the answer as where are you. So this is how the things happen. This just a simple example. Why? Because we used to do the daily messages, right? So we used to type such kind of things. So like this, application wise, so mainly for encoding, decoding concept for the military purpose, for defense purpose. Correct na? So they can't disclose the thing that somewhere some terrorist attack, some things is going to happen. They can't call or they can't message. They have to send through description. Okay. So I hope you have seen the movie, right? They used to have the encryption decryption. Have you seen or not yet? Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
So you got the concept now. So this is what exactly your encoding and decoding talks. Now we will deal what are the things we are going to discuss in this subject. So here this type of things we will deal with respect to our implementation of gates. Okay, so you'll get an equation either in SOP form or POS form. So you'll be having a decoder like n is to 2 power n. So if whenever I say decoder, so it has n inputs in general, n input and 2 power n output. So that is what decoder does, and reverse of it, that is your 2 power n inputs and n output is called as your encoder. Am I clear? So decoder is what this and encoder is what this. So you're going to deal such kind of things in this subject such a way that you can reduce the number of gates using your decoding technique. So am I clear with this introduction part, everyone? Everyone got the meaning of encoding, decoding at least now?
Yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we got it.
Okay, good. So we'll straight away move to your decoding technique first. So as your syllabus starts with the decoder, so we'll go with the decoder first. Okay. So as I said, decoder means what? So it is a combinational logical circuit which is having n inputs and 2 power n outputs. N inputs and 2 power n outputs. Okay. So if you look at a block diagram, so just represent the same thing what I wrote. N inputs will be there. So correspond to 2 power n outputs. So what I'm writing, is it visible here? Am I visible?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay, fine. So if you write the things in a logical diagram, see from now onwards, whichever gates you take, there will be IC format. Okay. So that I think lab started for you. Introduction class of lab of digital, is it started?
No, sir.
Is it done
No, sir.
today?
No,
Today it
sir.
is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Today
So
is
the
there.
things, yeah, today you have, I think, introduction class. See what all things you're learning in the theory, you're going to implement the same thing in the laboratory. If I say AND gate IC will be given for you. If I say NOR gate IC will be given for you. Using that IC, you need to connect to a kit, a training kit, and check out the combinations of your truth table, if that is work or not. Okay. The same way your decoder also on IC. So we'll discuss different types of ICs in decoder. So we'll come to know what all things you're going to learn. So before that, just an awareness. Decoder means what? Which is having n number of inputs and 2 power n number of outputs. So for this, reverse combination will become encoder. Okay. So if I say decoder, so which is having n inputs and you will be having 2 power n outputs. 2 power n outputs. Okay. So for your syllabus, currently you have 2:4 decoder and 3:8 decoder. So 2:4 and 3:8 is what we are going to learn. So later we will check out using this combination, can we get any other decoders? Okay. So any doubts anyone till here? Any doubts anyone till here? Am I fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's continue. So after knowing this simple logic, so straight away we'll go in and implement your decoder of 2:4. So same thing you're going to do in the laboratory also. So just have an awareness how to do the things with this, right? So you can make a note of heading now. Just make a note of heading as binary decoder. Binary decoder. So take the first heading in this decoder topic as binary decoder. Okay. So binary decoder. Okay. So any decoder which is having n bit binary input and 2 power n bit binary output is called as binary decoder. I'll repeat. Any, if you want to just make a note, a decoder which has n bit binary input and 2 power n output with one activated enable input is known as binary decoder. So I'll discuss what is the meaning of enable pin. So later. So is it done till here? Is it done till here, everyone? Heading Burkondra?
So,
Okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of the word enable? You forget about how it links to your decoder. That I will teach you. Before that, I want you to tell me what is the meaning of the word enable. Enable means what?
Which
To
You
allow.
heard enable, disable, right?
Yes,
To
sir.
allow.
To allow.
To allow. Good. So whichever things you want to allow. I hope you know this logic, no? Whenever you are installed any apps in your mobile phone, it will ask to allow. Nothing but to use the things in your mobile phone. You are going to give the access. That is called enable. Okay. So same way, with respect to your decoder, I told you have n inputs. You have n inputs and you will be having 2 power n outputs. Okay, so whatever inputs you are going to give here, if you want to get this output, there should be some control. There should be some control or a switch that I am going to call it as a enable input. Am I clear? So your enable pin acts like a switch here. Okay. So whatever the inputs you are going to provide here, so depending upon the enable, see here you have two concepts, active low enable and active high enable. So in the syllabus we will deal with active high enable. Means whenever enable is 1, I will tell your output should follow your input. Okay. So how it works, we'll go. Before that, have you got the concept of enable input, everyone? Enable means it's like a switch. If switch is on, the supply will go and turn on the corresponding bulb. For example, I told switch is on, the corresponding supply has happened, the bulb is blown. So if switch is off, then there is no connection, there is no flow of current and bulb will be off state. So everyone got what is the meaning of enable pin now? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So after knowing this, straight away we'll move to your 2:4 decoder. See, whatever the logic I'm going to explain you for 2:4 decoder, I want you to maintain the same thing for 3:8. Okay. So let me teach you how to do with respect to 2:4 first. What all things you are required. Then we will try to go with your next 3:8. So everyone make a note for the first one. 2:4 decoder. Okay. So 2:4 decoder. See, whenever they ask you to explain 2:4 decoder, you try to write a truth table. Try to write a truth table. Then from that truth table, we need to do implementation of your logic gates. Okay. So got the question now? So they may ask you to explain 2:4 decoder and implement using logic gate will be the question. So whenever you get this question, so start with the truth table. Okay. Start with the truth table. So what I told, if I say 2:4, according to logic, so input is how much now? What's the input?
2.
Good.
2.
2. So output?
4. 4.
So outputs are 2 power n, nothing but 4. So this is your output. So this you should remember. So same logic will apply whichever decoder they are going to ask you. So according to this, how many inputs I should write now?
0 and 1.
Now how many inputs?
2 inputs. 2 inputs.
So I'm going to write the table inputs and outputs. Okay. So I told, for example, your AB, if you designate AB as your input, I can designate your Y not. Say I'll just tell you why I'm writing reverse. You can write like this, or you can write Y not Y2 also. But we'll always designate from LSB to MSB whenever we're dealing with encoder decoder. LSB to MSB. Okay. So I told along with 2 inputs you have one switch. What is that called as?
Enable switch.
Enable. That is also input or output?
Input.
Good. So it means along with these 2 input for any decoding circuit or encoding circuit, there should be one enable pin. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, I told you at the beginning, for enable high, we will consider the outputs. So assume that if enable is 0, inputs may be anything. I will put XX. What is the meaning of XX? What is the meaning of
Whether 0
XX?
or 1.
Don't care condition, right? Whether you give input 0 or 1, irrespective of that, If enable is 0, your outputs are 0. If enable is 0, outputs are 0. Am I clear? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, whenever enable is 1, then only whatever inputs are given, the corresponding output will come. Okay. Now, if it is 2 inputs, how many combinations you can get?
4.
Good. So I can write the 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So make sure that for all the combinations, your enable should be high. Enable should be high. Okay. Now listen carefully. Whenever enable is 1 means whenever enable is high, then only your input will be given as output. Okay. So now switch is on. Whatever the things you are providing in the input, that will be in the output part. I will specify clearly. If switch is on, this is 0, 0 combination. So what is the meaning of 0, 0? So which output is on now?
Why not?
Why not? So I can write why not. Why not is on. What about remaining?
Off.
Off state. Am I clear? See, you have a switch called enable, that is like your circuit now. Open circuit, closed circuit. If enable is 0, it is open circuit, irrespective of input, output is 0. So now switch is on, means short circuit are done. If 0, 0 input is there, so corresponding Y naught should be output as high. Remaining all should be 0. Understood? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Yeah, proceed next. What about 0, 1?
Y1.
So Y1 should be 1, remaining all 0, 0. So is it clear to everyone now? So similarly 1, 0, Y2 is 1, remaining all 0, 0, and last Y3 is 1, remaining all 0, 0. So I hope I am clear with this. How to write the truth table? So truth table is visible clearly? Complete truth table is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just make a note of this table, everyone. So depending upon this truth table, we need to do the implementation part now. So implementation part is done with the help of this truth table. So this is how you need to designate. So always remember 0 means Y naught should be 1 and 0, 1 means Y1. Then similarly Y2 and Y3. Okay. See, even you can write from Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, that is not a problem. But we will designate from 0 to 3, that is an order, that's all. Even you can write from here to there also, not a problem. Anyhow, implementation doesn't change. If you represent the things from here to here or here to here, implementation doesn't change. But only thing is, we'll start with LSB and end at MSB, that's all. So least significant bit to most significant bit. I hope everyone remember the table, right? So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, so on. Correct, na? Do you remember this logic? 1, 2, 4, 8, so on. Weight of a table. Do you remember or not? Have you?
Yes, sir.
So that logic has been followed, that's nothing else. So am I done with this? Am I clear? So any doubts anyone till here? If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, let me proceed. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Proceed.
Okay, fine. So now what is the thing I told? You need to implement this 2:4 decoder in terms of logic gates, right? So to plot that, what I want the expression from this. Yes or no? So what came with the expression for Y1? What came with the expression for Y1? I will erase this. Look at the table and tell me what is Y1 equals to, sorry, Y0 equals to first.
A bar, B bar.
Yeah. Tell here. What is Y0 equals to? Where is Y0? Y0 is 1 for this. So 1 for this means.
A bar.
So equation becomes good. Tell me, repeat.
A bar, B bar.
A bar, B bar.
So it is A bar A bar, B bar. Similarly,
A bar B.
next Y1. So Y1 is here, A bar, B. Then Y2, A, B bar, and Y3 is A. So am I clear with this, everyone? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
What is next step? What we should do now? What we should do? We need to implement this, right? Using logic gates. So how to implement now? I need to implement this equation using logic gate. That will become 2:4 decoder answer. So how many inputs you have? I'll just write here. So you have A. I told you earlier, right? Whether you want horizontal or vertical, it's left to you. So, but make sure the connections are correct. That's all. So A is there and B is there. So in the look at the equation, do we have a complement for both? Do we have a complement for both A bar and B bar? Is it there?
Yes, sir.
So what should be given there?
Not gate.
Good. So you need to provide one NOT gate here. Is it visible what I'm writing? So this becomes A bar and similarly one more. This is your B bar. Am I clear till here? So once this is done, just a connection part. Yeah. So how to get Y naught now? What I should do? I need to connect my A bar. See, try to bubble the things like this. So it is indication that I am starting. Is it visible what I bubbled there? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So A bar, B bar, which gate I should connect?
And
And gate.
Good. So I should connect an AND gate. So this is your A bar, B bar, nothing but your Y naught. So I hope everyone got the logic now how to do implementation of a 2:4 decoder using logic gate. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so finish off this. So next is A bar B. So A bar is here and B is here. So if I highlight this, it will be helpful for you to check out the connections done right or wrong. So A bar B, this is your Y1. Similarly, A, B bar. So A, B bar. So this is your Y2. And last is AB. So from A1 connection, B1 connection, connect to AND gate. This becomes AB, Y3. So this is called as, I'll write here, 2:4 decoder implementation. So 2:4 decoder implementation using logic gate. So am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So just make a note of this. Just make a note of this. So next your task is same way I want you to build for 3:8 decoder. So then you'll get doubt means we will discuss. So just finish for 3:8 decoder. Yeah, I think I will put charging for a lappy once more. Yeah, by the time you finish, let it get charged a little bit. So I want everyone to finish off this 3:8 decoder implementation. Write this. So is it written? So this part is written means you just check out. Just a minute, I'll just connect the laptop. Yeah, is it done here, everyone? Will you write? I want you to solve for this. So have you made a note of 2:4 first of all? 2:4 decoder is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just wait a set. I'll just change the laptop. You keep writing. Yeah, I want everyone to finish off this 3:8 decoder. So we'll go for next topic then. Am I audible, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you finish off the things. By the time I will just connect the share screen. Repeat the same steps what we did just now. So try to write the truth table first. Then I want you to write the implementation. So if it is 3:8 decoder, how many combinations you'll get now?
8.
8 combinations. Good. So start from 000, end with 111. So make sure enable pin 1 is there, means what you should do. If it is done, just let me know, yeah.
It's done, sir.
Okay, just one set. Yeah, thus everyone done. So before going for next topic, I just want to make sure everyone understood this topic. I'll just connect the share screen just one set because battery is down. Yeah, just a minute, I will connect this. Yeah, I think in the class I shared some course based on ISRO. Anybody have any doubt with us? So before I mail this PDF, you can ask me if you have doubt with that. So I will be the coordinator for that course. So it's a free of cost. Your seniors are already doing it. Is started already 4 or 5 months back only. So since you have joined newly as 3rd semester, so I want you to inform that. So almost 10 courses are done by this time. Have you seen that? What I told? Anyone? Message noted and draw.
Yes, sir.
So you can register. Nothing. You just need to enter your basic details in that link. Okay. So if you get any difficulty, you just let me know. So while registering the institution name, you should select Don Bosco Institute Technology EC, because CS is also there. You just register to EC. So I will get an approval letter from them later, and I will send approval for you people. So it is good actually. Actually, one course already exam is over last week, and currently one more is going on. So hardly 2 to 3 weeks. So they will take classes from 3:45 to 4, and they will share PDF also. If you're not able to attend the classes, I will share the PDF for you. You can take the exam. It is free of cost. Nothing payment is required for you, and it is advantage for your resumes also. And if you ask that, is it applicable to third sem students since we don't have any knowledge about electronics? It is not relevant to your electronics like that. It is an application oriented concept courses they are doing. So anyone can take in these technical things. Am I clear? So anybody interested, you can register. If you are doubt doing that, you can inform me. So is it done, everyone? So 2:4 decoder done. So 2:8 or 3:8. I'll just open this. Yeah, now just check out share screen is visible. Just one sec. Yeah, screen is visible, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I will just open that PDF. So near board, there is no plug point to charge. That's why I took back. So few more topics I'll just do here only. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me proceed. These are all done things. So straight away we'll move to decoder. Expressions you got here. What is the expression for Y naught? What is Y naught you got for?
A bar, B bar.
So we'll get all complements. Good. So just verify your answers. So this is the questions here. Draw a circuit for 3-state decoder and explain. So explanation part is how many inputs, how many output, and how to plot an truth table. That will be explanation. So just verify the expression and the diagram. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So this is your 3:8 decoder. So same thing you're going to implement when you come to your lab also. Okay. So I think you'll be having your lab session afternoon. So there they will tell you each IC pin number and corresponding circuit diagram you're using to plot this. Okay. So now let's move to the next topic. So you can see something called as 74138 IC. Is it visible here? So in this decoder, you have two IC pins, two ICs you're going to use. One is 74138 and one more is 74139. So both have slight changes in the representation. So these two are important in your 3:8 decoder. Okay, you can look at the heading now. So now we'll deal with ICs. So this is like your IC now. So you can see how many pin IC it is? 15 pin. You can see the maximum 15 here. Okay, so starting with 1, ending with 15. So it means you have 15 pin IC is what 74138. So whenever they say decoder, they won't specify any decoder, they'll just tell 74138. So you should be able to debug 74138 means it is an 3:8 decoder IC. Okay, now so look at the symbol here. So you can look at ABC, 3 inputs are there. That should be given to pin number 1, 2, 3. and you can see something called G1, G2 and G3. So this is called as your enable pin. So this is called as an enable pin. So what circuit you are seeing there, right? So G1 is called as active high, and G2A and G3, G2B is called as active low. So here you can see there is a complement. You can see this bubble indicates what, everyone?
Complement.
Good. So correspondingly, so Y1, Y0 to Y7. So individual pin, you can see it is not in order. So after 1, 2, 3, pin numbers are 6, 4, 5 to connect enable pin. Then comes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So after Y6, everything is in order. Okay. Only little bit jumbled here. So remember like this, ABC 1, 2, 3 pin number, then 4, 5 belongs to enable low, and pin number 6 belongs to enable high, and from there 7. So which pin is missing now? Some pin number is missing. Which is that?
8.
8. It means no connection. So if 8 is there, means there is no connection. So remaining out of 15 pin, 14 pins are connected. So you can see the things what I told, it has been written in the same in the paragraph. Okay. So now this is a truth table. So this is a truth table. You can look at here. So what has happened now? See, I told whenever your active high, so this G1 is plays a major role in this IC now. So G1 is a main enable pin, that is called active enable pin, active high enable pin. Whenever this is 1, then only you can expect the output. So remaining G2A and G3B, so this are just like supporting. So that is not at all used. It is just like a supporting. Every time it is off only. So this IC you are going to connect it to your kit. So that you will come to see in your laboratory. So there will be a kit. So for that kit you are connecting this, and connections are made as shown in this IC. Then you are going to verify this truth table. So this is what you are going to learn in the lab also. So am I clear till here, everyone? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So you can look at the functional table. So whenever G1 is 1, so inputs are 0, 0. So they are designated ABC reverse. So that is what I told the order. So 2 power 0 to power 1. Just go with that. 0, 0, 0. So what is now? What has happened? Can you tell me? See, we used to write 1 for that, right, earlier.
Complement.
So now we should do complement, because outputs are having a complement logic. So this is the only change from your normal decoder to your 74138 IC. So if you remember this much, that will be enough to write this in the exam. So you can expect this for 6 marks. So explain 74138 3:8 decoder. Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same way. So after knowing this, same way you have, I think it's missing here. Okay. I'll just explain like that only. You just make a note. So same way you just make a note of the heading called as 74139 dual 2:4 decoder. I'll repeat. Make a heading as 74139. I think the page is cutted here. No problem, I will explain. So 74139 dual 2:4 decoder. Dual 2:4 decoder. So here also you'll be having 15 pins only, like what it did here, but the alignment is different. I'll repeat. That is also 74139, also a 15 pin IC, but the alignments are different. Okay. So what all the alignments means, just make a note. So I said 2:4 decoder means how many inputs now? How many inputs?
2.
Okay, let me just one side, let me write here so to understand for you. So 2:4 means you should have 2 inputs. How many combinations you can get?
4.
4 combinations. Good. So I'll just plot this, just one set. Paint is visible here?
Yes, sir.
The paint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll just try
Yes,
to
sir.
that IC. Yeah, I will just plot the IC here that was missing in the PDF. So this is your 7419 IC, right? So how we wrote earlier, the same combination, but only change I will just write. So look at the diagram what I'm writing. So pin number 1 is complement, okay, and followed by your pin number 2, pin number 3. So 2 and 3. So here I'm going to connect this to 1G, 1A and 1B. See here G they have taken as a enable pin. So instead of E they have taken enable pin as G. So you will be having this one part. See what is the name says? It says dual 2:4 decoder. So what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of dual? Dual means what here?
2.
2.
2. It means in this 74139, what are there? You have 2:4 decoder. Agree? You have 2:4 decoder. So what I'm writing is visible here. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So it means what I wrote is just a one IC. So for this corresponding output, you can write here Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, so on. Okay. So till your Y3. And since this part, this category belongs to your first decoder, I'll represent as 1111 for all. That is why it is given as 1G, 1A, 1B. So similarly, you have one more in this. So similarly, you have one more in this, right? So same thing, you replica. So you same thing replica, you complement this. So but pin number will get changed. Okay, so here it was 1, 2, 3. Here it is from the bottom 13, 14, 15. 13, 14 and 15. So your pin number 15 is complemented. And what is written here now? So in general, G, but since it belongs to second, so I can write as 2G, 2A and 2B. Understood here difference between your 138 and 139 IC? Everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So 138 was having 3:8 decoder, but 139 is having 2:4 decoder. That is the only change. So remaining as it is, you just make a note for outputs here. So again designate this with what? 2 Y0, 2 Y1, so on till 2 Y3. So just mention the pin number towards output side. See, it is simple to remember. You do one thing, you do partition for your reference. Don't write on the diagram. For your reference, you just do partition. So it's for remembering the things I'm telling. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then from here 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I think this will be easy for you to remember. So 1, 2, 3, then followed by 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then I told pin number 8 is having no connection, right? So from bottom, from this side, you can start 9, 10, 11 and 12. 11 and 12 this side. So it reverse now. Can you make out the difference now? So this is going from here to here and this is coming from here to here. So I hope to remember the pin diagram. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear here? Yeah, am I clear? I'm audible? So now what can be the truth table? How to plot a truth table now? So do you want two truth table to be written here? You want two truth tables? So got the question?
Okay.
Since it is a dual 2:4 decoder, do you want two truth tables? Have you? Or do you want both? Or one is enough? Truth table, how many you want? You want 1 or 2?
1, sir.
1 only enough, right? See, both are same only. If you represent one truth table, the same thing is applied for both. So how many inputs now?
2 inputs.
So along with G, if I take, I think it's not visible.
3.
Yeah. So along with G, if I take means, so G, so just one set. So what is G? You can look at here, there is a complement here. So what I should write here? In the circuit diagram, there is a bubble for your 2G and 1G. So it means what? Your G should be G
bar.
complement? Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
Then 2 inputs, A and B, and I told reverse, you should write reverse. So A will come here and then followed by B. Okay, so A, B, then G bar. So corresponding output will start from this end, LSB to MSB. So you can designate 0, 1, 2, and 3. So now tell me how the truth table look like. So if I take enable G is equals to 1, so do you think output will occur?
No, sir.
Output won't occur. See, now
Yes, sir.
output will occur, but it is active high. But what we want is active low. Correct na? Since G is 1, so G is 1 means G bar becomes 0. Correct, yeah? G bar becomes 0. If I take the things, G bar, if this is 1, then irrespective of inputs A and B, I will put don't care condition X and X here. So irrespective of this, what is the output? Can you do any selection there?
No,
You
sir.
can't select the things, right? For corresponding input, you can't select. So all will be high only. So all outputs will be high. Why? Why higher? Because there is a complement for each. If you give 0, you will get 1. If you get 1, you will get 0. So for G bar 1, whatever the inputs you are going to take, all outputs will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Now tell me, if I take G0 and if I provide input as 0, 0, what is the output? What is the output? For 0, 0, which should be highlighted?
Why not?
Why not? Means I should write output as 1, 1, 1 followed by 0. Hey, Arthak Chandrapa, is it fine? You want me to write on the board or is it fine?
Okay, sir.
So similarly, you just tell me for one more. So 1, 0, 1, 0.
Y1, Y3.
So Y1 is, see, because all are complement, right? You are going to write a truth table for Y1 bar, Y2 bar, Y3 bar, Y4 bar. Correct na? You can get Y1 bar as 0 and remaining all 1, 1. Correct na? The same way you can write for 2, 1, 3. So am I done with this? 74139 IC. Any doubts, anyone? So 74138 means 3 is to 4, 3 is to 8 decoder. So remember the pin numbers, it is a 15 pin. So similarly, you will be having 74139. So it is a dual 2 is to 4 decoder. So am I done with this 2 topics? Is it done? Any doubts, anyone?
What about pin 8?
Pin 8, no connections. So in both ICs, pin number 8 is not mentioned means there is no connection. Means whenever you dump an IC in a kit, pin number 8, you should not do any connection, leave it as it is. Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll stop then. So tomorrow we'll deal with the problems based on this ICs, how to do. So if you have doubts, you can ask. So you can tell attendance and you can leave. So I think tomorrow No class, huh? Saturday. So I think Saturday second hour we will meet with the problems on this. So if anybody have doubts, you can ask. Oh, not one is there. Rahul. 102.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Yeah. 103. Yeah, we just enter in the chat box and you can leave. See you next
Sir,
class.
present, sir.
Kottinappa, Kottin Rahul. 103 is not there. 104 is not there. 5. No. 6. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11. 12.
Present, sir.
13. 14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16. 16 is there. 17.
Present, sir.
18. 19. 20. 21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23. 24.
Present, sir.
25. Yeah, given Shriyari. 25.
Yes, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27. Supriya. 28.
Present, sir.
29. 30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Vaibhav, last class absent, no?
From
Last class
past
you're
4 days,
absent,
I am
man.
not
Monday
coming.
class? Huh?
Past 3 days, I am not coming to the class.
Okay. 33.
Present, sir.
34. 34, 35, not there. 36. 37.
Present, sir.
Yeah, 39.
So 37 present, sir.
Yeah, given Vinay. 40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42. 43.
Present, sir.
Then telecom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are there. Okay, who is left out here? Those who are joined
Sir,
with
17,
yeah.
17E 030.
Okay. Then Ritwik is there? No. Okay, fine. So enter USA number, you can leave. sir.